Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Splitwise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device, and once you open it up, proceed with logging in to your account using your email address and password or your Google account. After logging in, if you wish to delete this account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Now from the account page, tap on the edit button at the right side of your username, which will take you into the account settings page. Now within this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the delete your account button. If you tap on this button, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account, and you will also be told that you will not be able to recover your account. You can either type in your current password and then click on the delete your account button, or tap on send email. Just type in your password and click on delete your account, and once you tap on the confirm button, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out from your account. If you tap on send email, you will receive an email within the email address that you used to sign up for your account, and once you check your inbox and tap on the link within, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out as well. And if you don't log back in for another 2 weeks, your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.